You're going to be able to get an Amtrak, and instead of going through the tunnel of Baltimore at 30 miles an hour because nothing's been done under the Chesapeake Bay under the Baltimore River, the Baltimore area for 80 years. They're going to be able to go at 100 miles an hour. They're going to see more. They're going to see railroads going from Syracuse all the way down to New York, upstate New York. Anyway, to the city. But I guess what I'm saying, what I think that we're going to see is movement.
Someone needs to hit the reset button there on the president, I think. And of course, that was as interesting as his trip to Washington's Taqueria Habanero earlier in the day. Don't jump! Why does he keep saying that?